Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download PancakeSwap app for BSC token swapping, full guide step by step clearly. To download the PancakeSwap app for BSC token swapping, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store relevant to your operating system, either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type PancakeSwap and tap on the search icon. Locate the official PancakeSwap application in the search results. For Android users, ensure you are comfortable with downloading an APK file if you don't find it in the Play Store. If you're using an Android device, go to the PancakeSwap official website to download the APK file directly. Enable unknown sources in your device settings to allow installations from outside the Play Store. Once the APK file is downloaded, find it in your device's file manager and tap to install. For iOS users, please note that you may not find an official PancakeSwap app. Instead, use a compatible browser to access the PancakeSwap web app directly. Ensure your mobile wallet, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, is installed and set up on your device. Open your mobile wallet and navigate to the dApp browser or Web3 browser section. Enter the URL for PancakeSwap in the browser. Connect your wallet to the PancakeSwap platform to start swapping tokens. Follow on-screen instructions to approve the connection and permissions. Once connected, you can start trading BSC tokens seamlessly. Always double-check the token addresses before confirming any transactions. Keep your wallet secure and stay updated on PancakeSwap for any future developments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.